Nothing left of that one.
That sucks.
Is that Walt and Jesse? Drifted over. Pop that gear. Yeah, what happened there? Uh-oh. That's weird. Broke. Okay, so kind of a worst case scenario. Got my family, went up on the mountain alone, and I broke a U-joint on my rear drive line. And I've patched it up, which I'll show you later if it works, even if it doesn't work. Fingers crossed. I'm going to see if we can get turned around and pointed down the mountain. Oh, please. Bring the slide and the shovel. Gonna be a slow ride down, but we're moving. That's good. We were hauling ass too. It was shaping up to be a good day. Alright, I hope this gets us down the mountain. We'll be going really, really slow. Gotta get the family packed up. I'll stop and give the camera a look at the fix. You can see it. Here we go. Oh, well, that side looks just normal. Let's look at the other side. Hi, family. Now that doesn't look quite right, but it seems to be holding. Please get us down the mountain. So far so good. Limping down the mountain. We're in front wheel drive right now. Seems to be going okay. I don't want to go any faster because I want to try to save that socket in case we need it. Only got a couple that will fit in there. Well, the old 17mm socket got us down the mountain. I'm going to pull it out now, tie up the drive shaft, and drive home in front wheel drive.